Looking to bring your brand to life with vibrant, durable designs? Transfer printing is your go-to solution for high-quality, full-color customization on a wide range of promotional products. In transfer printing, your artwork is first printed onto a special transfer paper. This paper is then aligned with your chosen item, whether a t-shirt, tote bag, or mug, and subjected to heat and pressure. The heat activates the design, bonding it seamlessly to the surface, resulting in a smooth, durable finish. This method is ideal for intricate designs, including logos with gradients, photographs, or multicolor artwork. Transfer printing ensures your designs stand out with clarity and vibrancy. At Cubic Promote, we offer a range of customization options to suit your needs. Ready to make your brand unforgettable? Visit cubicpromote.com.au today and discover how transfer printing can bring your promotional items to life.